Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Medeaij, and today's video is going to be a bold look. So I'm going to be doing this beautiful purple glam makeup tutorial. It's also a smoky eye. I absolutely love the lips. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then absolutely keep on watching and let's dive in. So, first things first, you know how it is. Skincare is already done. So excited for this look. I have so many ideas at the moment. So, brows first. Ofra Don't Play Gel. Always true. I think I'm going to keep drumming this into everyone's head until you all buy it because I feel like you're going to enjoy this brow product 100%. You can see how effortless it makes my brows look. I can't rave enough about the brow gel. And you can use my discount code shameless plug Medeaij to get yourself some money off your order on Ofra. So today's palette that we're going to be using is from Morphe, and I really want to get into using more of my Morphe palettes. So I was like, I needed to do a purple look. Like that's what I really wanted to do. So I decided to go for the 35P. This is like the plum palette, but it's very dark and very, you know, just very sultry. So these are the shades that I'm going to be using from the palette. These are the matte shades. I'm going to be using these beautiful purple undertones. I've got black, I've got plum in there, gorgeous colors. And first things first, applying my base and just making sure that I blend that all the way underneath my brow. It's from Plouise. And then I'm going to start applying the Plouise X Mama Mitchell in what's this one called? This is one of the acid rain bases in Ecstacy. Yeah, that's what it's called. And then I'm going in with the first eyeshadow that I showed you from the palette, and I'm packing that in the outer corner. I absolutely love this eye look. I love this eye shape. This is what I feel works really well for my eyes. So feel free to wing it out if you prefer more of a drawn out winged type of look. But I'm just going in with these purple shades and just blending, you know, making sure that everything is smooth and seamless, and then packing on the black on the outer corner to give me some smokiness, some dimension to the eye. And then I'm going in with my trusty glitter glue, you know how it is, because I want to apply this shimmer shadow. This is a lilac, like a light lilac shimmer color. So beautiful. So the base is going on first, and then I'm going to apply that eyeshadow all over it. It's a very simple look when you look at it. Please don't be afraid of color. Everything can be blended out. Just start with a good base and start applying your eyeshadow in small sections. And then I'm going in with the Ofra fixed line eyeliner in black. I love this product. Like, this is something I've been using recently and it's so good. I'm setting that with the black eyeshadow from the palette because I wanted more of a matte look. Primer today is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. Love this one. Nice mattifying primer. Also blurs out my pores. Very, very good base. And then foundation is going to be the Morphe Filter Rich Foundation in shade 28. I do have a review of the foundation. I also have a review of the Laura Mercier primer on my YouTube channel if you're interested. But yeah, we're going to be using this foundation today. And I'm using the Sedona Lace. It's a kabuki brush, I believe. Is it? Yeah, I'm using this foundation brush from Sedona Lace. I love it. Everything will be linked in the description box in case you're interested, so don't worry, I got you. So applying that all over, and then I'm going in with my concealers. I use the Revolution Concealer and Hydrates in C13, and then on top of that I use the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in Tan Deep Sand, and I'm just blending that out. And once it's fully blended out, I'm going to set it with the banana powder from Revolution. I always say with your concealer, let it dry down a little bit, let it get a little bit tacky so that you can get maximum pigmentation. Trust me, it will make a difference. And then I'm doing exactly what I did on my lid on the lower lash line. I'm applying that base from Plouise in Ecstacy, and then I'm going to go in with exactly the same shadows that I used and just smoke out the outer corner. I'm leaving the inner corner a little bit bare because I still want my eyes to be opened up, but I want the outer corner to be nice and smoky, you know? And then I'm popping this eye pencil from Pixi. This is an endless silky eye pencil in Velvet Violet. Bronzer of choice is the Morphe bronze palette in, what shade is this one? I think this is 8D. Yeah, this is the Morphe face palette in 8D, and I'm using the bronzers, and I'm also using this brush from Colored Rain. Why did I sound unsure? I'm using this brush from Colored Rain to really bronze. Really sorry if I'm quite low speaking. My son is asleep, and you guys do not want to know what time of the day it is. You literally do not. Just to settle down the powders, I'm using this spray from Morphe. I love it. It helps to settle down my powders when I've gone in with a lot of powder or, a lot of products on my face. I use the, this is the Pixi Beauty highlighter. I'm testing my own memory now. So this is the Pixi Beauty highlighter. Can't remember what it's called, but it will be in the description box. Don't worry, but I love it because it's got like a purple tint to it, purple undertone. The blush that I used was from Beauty Bay in Royal, in case if you're interested. But yeah, and then I'm just applying the Morphe primer to my lashes, and then I'm going to use a mascara from Ofra. It's the HD Volumizer Mascara. For this look, I contemplated not wearing lashes because I don't know, I just feel like the look didn't need lashes. So I initially wanted to wear lashes, but then I think I gave up. I didn't wear lashes. I don't think I wore lashes. Anyway, for my lips, I'm using the lip pencil from MAC in, what's this? Night Moth, all over my lips. And then my lip product is the Stila Lip Vinyl in 0 to 69. Breathtaking. Breathtaking. These lips, I kid you not, I wore it all day. By the way, all the looks from my YouTube channel, 9 out of 10 times, I'm either going somewhere or I'm going to work. Just so that you know. So this I wore to work. My fragrance, because I was feeling really edgy, really dangerous, is from Zara in Ebony Wood. It's got a nice earthy undertone to it that I absolutely love. And this is the finished look. I feel like it's very easy to achieve. I went for a bold eye, bold lip, no lashes. I know, no lashes, letting my lashes do the work. Beautiful base, nice highlighter. You can do it. I believe in you. So if you do recreate this look, please tag me. Please let me know. I'd really love to see your work. I'd really love to be inspired by you guys. But yeah, that's it for this look. Definitely sound off in the comment section what you think, if you enjoyed it. And I hope you continue to enjoy my Vlogmas series. I will catch you in a future video. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black lives will always matter. And I'll see you soon. Bye.